Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix X or previous name Twitter photo or video upload problem solved. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting, then scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, click on X or Twitter app, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now click on permissions, all permission allow on this app. Open on Google Play Store, search X or Twitter, update app, update app if available on Play Store. Now open on apps, click on plus icon, tap on photos or videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.